Hey everyone, it's Charlotte from, wait, let me get out of here. Actually, let me reset all that too. That way it's just there. Okay. Hey everyone, it's Charlotte from the Kia Hyundai channel, and today we're talking about one of my favorite features, and that is Apple CarPlay in Kia and Hyundai vehicles, or really any vehicle. So whether you're using a wired or wireless CarPlay, we're going to be showing you guys some of my favorite options for customization, but then also for making your CarPlay a little bit more convenient. So let's take a look. First things first, you're going to take a look at your head unit and click on your CarPlay widget. It's of course going to jump you into your CarPlay, and the first thing that I want to do is I want this to reflect my style. So I'm going to go to Settings, I'm going to scroll down till I see Wallpaper, and from here I'm able to pick any of these different options available. The nice thing is whether your phone or vehicle is set in light or dark mode, it's going to reflect it while still keeping it consistent with the overall theme. I'm in a pink mood, so I think that that's what I'm going to stick with. The next one for a bit of convenience is going to be in accessibility. From here, I want to make sure that my voice control is turned on, and basically just hit into accessibility, scroll down, and toggle it on. From here, I'll be able to go and say, go home, swipe left, swipe right. And basically I can go and use all of my commands by just using voice commands instead of actually having to swipe and take my hands off of the steering wheel or my eyes off of the road. So if you want to keep everything right where it's supposed to be, you can definitely use voice commands to go and do that. The next thing I want to show you guys has to do with maps, because a big reason why I love Apple CarPlay so much is because I like internet-based navigation. So Apple Maps, I'm going to go and pop into here. I'm going to end my route, and I'm going to go and select a whole new destination. So let's go to Walmart. I'm going to hit go, and you'll notice at the bottom it says Share ETA. Now I understand that this isn't a hidden tip or trick, but it is one that's underutilized and really convenient. So I'm going to actually go and send my location to my sister, so now she knows when I'll be arriving at Walmart, which is handy if I'm meeting up with her and she wants to know how long I'm going to be. I'll come out of my maps now. Now the next thing has to do with your Siri. So keep in mind you are going to have Siri enabled when you're using, of course, your voice commands, and then also if you want to use it. Now a lot of people know that you can use Siri for sending text messages, but you can also do it to play your media. So if I say, hey Siri, play Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Alvin and the Chipmunks by various artists now playing.
If you guys can't tell, I'm a mom, and this is what my daughter likes to listen to in the car right now. However, it's not a bad day. It's a good day with Apple CarPlay. So I'm going to pause that because who wants to listen to Alvin and the Chipmunks? Not any more than I have to. And the last thing I want to show you guys is actually how you can customize which widgets are going to be available on your CarPlay, but then also moving them around. Now, this doesn't actually have to do with anything on what is shown on the home screen. It's going to be done through your phone. So I'm going to go and pull up my phone here, and I'm going to go into Setup. From Setup, I'm going to go scroll down to General, CarPlay, and then I'm going to select the vehicle that I'm currently using with CarPlay. So for me, that's going to be the Palisade. From here, home screen icons. So not only can I select which ones I want to delete, so if I want to delete any of them, I can just simply press that, but I can also move them around. So Gabby hates Apple Maps, so I'm going to actually get rid of that for her. And you'll notice that as I'm moving it on here, it's going to move down. So if you want all of your main items to be showcased only on the front screen, you can, with more obscure things being over here. This gives you the chance to go and fully customize it to your liking. Now, I hope that you guys enjoyed some of these features for customization and also a little bit of how I configure my Apple CarPlay to make it more convenient. And if you guys have any questions about Apple CarPlay or want to see any more, leave a comment down below because we do monitor them. If you haven't already, subscribe to the Kia Hyundai channel, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!